rate cut soon from the Federal Reserve, and we see green on the stock market first thing this morning. Keith Fitz joins us now. Big tech reports this week. Microsoft out first. They report after the bell tomorrow. What are you expecting from Microsoft?
I'm expecting potentially historic earnings, Stuart. I think the company's going to crush it with regard to the cloud. I think we're going to see tremendous results from AI, and I think we're going to see an incredible rollout with Copilot and that continuing through all of their product suite.
I've heard Microsoft described as the godfather of AI. What do you say to that?
Well, that's probably not too far off. I think they caught the entire industry by surprise. They continue to execute, and they continue to bring value to everybody that uses their products, including our firm.
Right, we've got 4 big tech companies reporting this week. How they turn out, is it make or break for the whole market? Not just those stocks, but for the whole market?
You know, that's an interesting question, Stuart. I don't think it's make or break for the entire market, but I think that the schism, the split between the companies that execute and the companies that don't is going to be very, very pronounced, even within big tech.
Would you buy Microsoft now, 36 hours before they report?
No question. I actually already own a substantial position of it. Wouldn't have any problem to do it. I'm going to try to do that tomorrow morning if I get that opportunity.
Okay, let's talk Trump at the Bitcoin conference. He's a Bitcoin bull, obviously. He came right out with it. You like the blockchain producers. What is a blockchain producer? Who are we talking about?
Well, so here's the thing, right? So blockchain, you start to get into the technical processes that make something like Bitcoin possible. And so blockchain itself, there's no question we're going to digital currency, digital ownership, digital titling, all kinds of things. Blockchain is the technology that makes that possible. JP Morgan, a bank that I've liked and we've talked about many, many times, is working on digital clearing. The bank moves $10 trillion a day. I think that that is going to be the only thing that helps preserve the US dollar and facilitates the adoption of digital currency.
Is Ethereum a blockchain play?
You know, it can be, but again, you know, do you want to go with blockchain itself? I mean, Ethereum is built on blockchain, just like many other things are. But, you know, again, to me, I'm more into big companies that have a diversified base capable of supporting development efforts. So rather than going for an Ethereum itself or a Bitcoin itself, I'm going to be more inclined to go higher up in the food chain with a JP Morgan.
Got it. Keith Fitz on a Monday morning. Thanks for joining us, Keith. I know we'll see you again real soon. Now, the opening bell is going to ring in about 30 seconds, and as you can see from the futures board, we're expecting an upside move right from the get-go here at the on Wall Street. Now, one thing that we've not been talking about very much this morning is the expectation of a rate cut. There are people suggesting that we'll get a rate cut this week, and a lot of people are suggesting we'll definitely get a rate cut in September. That's propelling the market forward a little bit. And there's also lots of interest in the big tech earnings, which may again propel the market.